Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So from the title of today's video, you guys can see I'm going to be recreating the 2000s Kim K tracksuit look or whatever. I ordered this, like tracksuit from SKIMS. It's a little set and I love it. It's super cute. So I'm going to be talking about it for you guys today and just showing you guys and just like recreating a look that, like her and I believe that her and Paris would always do, Paris Hilton. So she uploaded it on her Instagram and I was just scrolling and I saw it and I saw that it would drop like soon. It's a few days now since I've gotten my order, but I thought it was really cute, so I just had to get it. So this is me reviewing it for you guys and just showing you guys. And yeah, so if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. I am Giselle. If you are new here, I would love for you to join my little YouTube fam and subscribe down below, and also follow me on IG, and I'll have that also linked down below. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get on with the video. So starting off by recreating Kim's 2000 tracksuit looks, I'm going to start with the makeup. When I was looking through pictures of both her new SKIMS velour like tracksuits campaign and also older like 2000s like inspo pictures where she was wearing the tracksuits along with Paris, her makeup was very like simple, very neutral, but it still looked really good. Or sometimes in a lot of photos that I found, she wasn't even wearing any makeup, but I'm just gonna keep it simple. So as you guys can see, I was just putting on foundation. My current favorite at the moment that's like really nice and neutral and from the drugstore is actually the L'Oreal True Match foundation. So I went ahead and put that on, and for concealer I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. And for setting powder, I'm going to use this one from Hourglass. This is a translucent setting powder, and I'm just dabbing this on with a Real Techniques sponge. Kim is always super bronze, so to bronze up my skin, I'm using the Hoola bronzer. It's a very light, neutral bronzer. It's not too out there, and I'm just using this on a Morphe brush. But yeah, on all of like Kim's makeup pictures, she always has a very bronzed skin. And I'm also going in with this powder, which is like cracked. But this is the, I believe, Becca Cosmetics, I think is what it is. It's just a bronzer. And for blush, I am going in with NARS Angelica. It's this very bright pink. It looks very bright pink in person and has a little bit of like gold sparkles inside of it. And yeah, just really like this one as well. So I'm just applying that. And since I'm pretty much done with the base, I'm going in with my eyes. So I just put a little bit of the bronzer on my lids just to add color, and I'm going in with mascara. This is one of my favorite drugstore mascaras. This is L'Oreal Telescopic. It's amazing. It leaves your lashes very long and just like separated. As of right now, I feel like it's not really doing that because it's like newer. I feel like once it starts to like dry out a little bit, I feel like it works better. But I really do like this mascara, so I'm just using that because obviously, Kim's lashes are super long and I'm brightening up my face with the Kat Von D Shade and Light contouring palette. I'm using those two first shades and just kind of brightening up my under eyes, because if you guys remember, that was like Kim is basically like her and Mario are what started that trend pretty much. Like, you know, the whole contouring and highlighting and just like the very bright under eye. So to give me that, this is what I am using. So now I am just blending everything out with this brush. I believe this brush is from BH. It's super inexpensive and it works great. I love blending out my makeup with this brush in particular. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going in with lashes, and I love these ones. They're just really full and nice, and yeah, I really like them. So I'm just applying these. And for highlighter, I'm going in with this really subtle highlight from MAC. This is Whisper of Guilt, G-I-L-T, and I'm just applying this everywhere where I usually highlight on my face. So for the last portion of my makeup, it cuts off before this clip, but I'm just using these lip liners from NYX. They work really great and they're really inexpensive, and along with ColourPop Cosmetics lipstick and lip gloss, and I'm gonna have everything in the description. But that's it for the makeup, pretty much just very bronze and neutral, not too, you know, out there, nothing too colorful, just really natural, because it's kind of what she always goes for, along with the older pictures that I saw of like Kim wearing the tracksuits in like the 2000s. So now I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the SKIMS velour tracksuit itself in the next few clips for you guys. So this is the set. This is the top. You guys, I love this velvety, like suede-ish like material. It's like very soft and it's really, really comfy, so I really love it. And it's cropped, so you can also, like, you know, it does have a zipper, so you can wear it like super cropped. The part look, I guess, just kind of like wear it at your own desire, you know, taste. And I love the pockets on the pants. I'll have the exact name right here. She also had other pieces. The pants that don't cuff at the bottom, these ones do, as you guys can see. And she also had the ones that were just like flare, like straight, the ones that don't cuff at all. So those were also really cute. I think, and like I was looking at like Pinterest and whatnot, like her older pictures, and I think those are the ones that she would mostly wear, the ones that like didn't have like the cuffing at the bottom, because that wasn't that popular back then. But I love these and they're really comfy, and I love the pocket. The pocket has a zipper on it too, and everything has pockets. Really cute. I know she also had like a bandeau. She had like a pullover, I think. I'm not really sure, I don't really remember, but I love the quality of these. And for both of these, I believe it was $160, I'm not really sure. But yeah, I love the quality. It's really cute. So that is it for this video. I love these little tracksuits. If I could get a million colors of them. I just love how she went with a really neutral color. That's like my favorite thing ever. Like, that's what I love the most about Kim and her style. Like, it's everything super neutral. That's definitely like my vibe. Like, I usually don't go for like prints or like lettering on stuff. Like, sometimes yeah, but like I just love like just plain, you know. So yeah, I love her, you know, line, her new Skims line. I think it's really cute that, you know, she went off of something that she used to always wear when she was, you know, younger. So yeah, that is it for this video, and if you guys liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.